हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आ पूर्व वीडियो रे हमें कोर 10 जाए सब क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन कर सारी। आज आम देखा कोर 11 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलते स्टार्ट करवा आज वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची व्हाट वाज द प्राइमरी एम ऑफ एजुकेशन ड्यूरिंग द वैदिक पीरियड। ऑप्शन है लर्निंग वेल्थ एंड स्टेटस, प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर वेलफेयर, realization of ultimate truths जोटा कि मोक्ष and development of character, mastery of technical skills. Our answer of option number C, realization of the ultimate truth and development of character. The main aim of Vedic education was self-realization and spiritual enlightenment. It emphasized moral, intellectual and spiritual development with the ultimate goal of attaining moksha or liberation. तापर 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज एन इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट ऑफ द करिकुलम ड्यूरिंग द वैदिक पीरियड। ऑप्शन है मॉडर्न साइंस, लिटरेचर ऑफ अदर कंट्रीज, वेदज, उपनिषद एंड ग्रामर, इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्नोलॉजी। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, वेदज, उपनिषद एंड ग्रामर. The curriculum during the Vedic and Upanishadic period focused on Vedas, Upanishads, Sanskrit grammar, rituals, philosophy and ethics. These texts were memorized and recited. तापर 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which method was commonly used for teaching during the Vedic period? ऑप्शन है लेक्चर मेथड, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, रोट लर्निंग एंड ओरल ट्रांसमिशन, टेक्स्ट बुक बेस्ड लर्निंग. आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रोट लर्निंग एंड ओरल ट्रांसमिशन जोटा कि श्रुति एंड स्मृति. द टीचिंग मेथड्स वर प्राइमरीली ओरल with knowledge being passed down through memorization and recitation, shruti and smriti. The Gurukul system involved close teacher-student interaction. तापर 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन, what was the status of women's education during the early Vedic period? Women were strictly prohibited from education. Only royal women were educated. Women had access to education and could become scholars. Women learned only domestic work. Our answer of option number C, women had access to education and could become scholars. जो मानको ऋषि कज बोली कहा जाउतला. In the early Vedic period, women had the right to education. Some women like Gargi and Maitreyi were known as Rishikaj and scholars. However, their educational rights diminished during later periods. तापर 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द रोल ऑफ टीचर इन द वैदिक एजुकेशन सिस्टम? ऑप्शन है टू कंडक्ट एग्जामिनेशंस, to provide technical training, to impact holistic education and guide moral and spiritual development, to supervise hostel management. Our answer of option number C, to impart holistic education and guide moral and spiritual development. The guru in the Vedic system was considered a spiritual guide and father figure responsible for the overall development of the student, including moral, physical, spiritual and intellectual growth. तापर 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द अल्टीमेट एम ऑफ एजुकेशन ड्यूरिंग द उपनिषदिक पीरियड? ऑप्शन है डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मिलिटरी स्किल्स, मास्टरी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एंड साइंस, अटेनिंग सेल्फ नॉलेज एंड रियलाइजेशन ऑफ ब्रह्म, प्रिपरेशन फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, अटेनिंग सेल्फ नॉलेज एंड रियलाइजेशन ऑफ ब्रह्म. द उपनिषदिक पीरियड emphasized philosophical and spiritual education with the ultimate goal being self-realization and understanding of Brahma, the ultimate reality. तापर 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which subject were primarily included in the curriculum during the Upanishadic period? ऑप्शन है इंजीनियरिंग एंड आर्किटेक्चर, उपनिषद, फिलोसफी, एथिक्स एंड मेडिटेशन, वेस्टर्न लिटरेचर एंड हिस्ट्री, मॉडर्न साइंस एंड पॉलिटिक्स. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, Upanishad, philosophy, ethics and meditation. The curriculum was deeply rooted in spiritual knowledge, especially the Upanishad, which focus on philosophy, ethics, self-inquiry and meditation. Students were encouraged to seek the truth. तापर 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज ए कॉमन मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग द उपनिषदिक पीरियड ऑप्शन अच्छे प्रैक्टिकल वर्कशॉप्स क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर मेथड लेक्चर विथ नोट्स ग्रुप असाइनमेंट्स आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर मेथड जोटा कि डायलॉग और डिस्कशन मेथड द उपनिषदिक मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग हेवीली रिलेड ऑन डायलॉग्स बिटवीन टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट दिस Socratic style questioning प्रश्न helped in deeper inquiry and understanding of spiritual truths. तापर 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द रोल ऑफ वुमेन इन एजुकेशन ड्यूरिंग द उपनिषदिक पीरियड ऑप्शन अच्छे वुमेन वर फुल्ली एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम एजुकेशन ओनली नोबल वुमेन वर taught in the secret women could participate in learning and some become philosophers women could learn only arts and crafts our answer of option number C women could participate in learning and some become philosophers during the upanishadic period women such as Gargi and Maitreyi were respected scholars who engaged in philosophical debates women had access to spiritual education especially in elite or brahminical families तापर 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ वाज द टीचर व्यू ड्यूरिंग द उपनिषदिक पीरियड ऑप्शन अच्छे एज ए स्टेट अपॉइंटेड इंस्ट्रक्टर एज ए रिलीजियस लीडर विदाउट पर्सनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन टीचिंग एज ए स्पिरिचुअल गाइड एंड फिलोसोफर हु लेड स्टूडेंट्स टू एनलाइटमेंट एज ए मेरे ट्रांसमीटर ऑफ बुकिश नॉलेज our answer of option number C as a spiritual guide and philosopher who led students to enlightenment the guru was a spiritual mentor and philosopher guiding students towards self realization of truth the relationship between guru and shishya was sacred and highly respected तापर 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द प्राइमरी एम ऑफ एजुकेशन ड्यूरिंग द बुद्धिस्ट पीरियड ऑप्शन अच्छे मिलिटरी ट्रेनिंग अटेनिंग निर्वाण एंड मोरल अपलिफ्टमेंट लर्निंग संस्कृत लिटरेचर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जॉब्स आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी अटेनिंग निर्वाण एंड moral upliftment. The main aim was moral and spiritual development, ultimately leading to nirvana, liberation from the cycle of birth and death through the practice of the eightfold path. तापर 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट करिकुलम ऑप्शन अच्छे लॉजिक एंड फिलोसफी वैदिक रिचुअल्स मेडिसिन पाली लैंग्वेज Our answer of option number B Vedic rituals. Buddhism rejected Vedic rituals and caste distinctions. The curriculum included Pali, logic, philosophy, ethics, grammar and medicine but not ritualistic practices of the Vedas. तापर 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच लैंग्वेज वाज कॉमनली यूज्ड इन बुद्धिस्ट एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे संस्कृत पर्सियन पाली प्राकृत आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी पाली पाली वाज द मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन बिकॉज इट वाज सिंपल एंड क्लोजर टू द कॉमन मैन्स लैंग्वेज मेकिंग एजुकेशन मोर एक्सेसिबल तापर 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग वाज कॉमनली यूज्ड इन बुद्धिस्ट एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे मेमोराइजेशन लेक्चर एंड डिस्कशन प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग ओनली सेल्फ स्टडी विदाउट टीचर गाइडेंस आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी लेक्चर एंड डिस्कशन were the chief methods students engaged in questioning and critical thinking practically in monastic schools and universities like Nalanda. तापर 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द नेचर ऑफ डिसिप्लिन इन बुद्धिस्ट मोनास्ट्रीज ऑप्शन अच्छे वेरी lenient flexible and informal strict and rule based on personal preference our answer of option number C strict and rule based monastic discipline by Vinaya was very strict including codes of conduct for monks and students this helped maintain focus on learning and spiritual practice तापर 16 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन इन बुद्धिस्ट एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे वुमेन वर completely excluded women could become nuns to get education women were taught only household skills only queens were allowed to study our answer of option number B women could become nuns and get education Buddhism opened the door for women's education women could become भिक्षुणीज जो मैंने को नोन्स बोले कहा जाता एंड रिसीव्ड एजुकेशन इन मोनास्ट्रीज थ्रो इनिशियली देयर वाज रेसिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द बुद्धा तापर 17 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट हायर एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी, तक्षशिला यूनिवर्सिटी, विक्रमशिला यूनिवर्सिटी, बोथ ए एंड सी। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी बोथ ए एंड सी माने नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी और विक्रमशिला यूनिवर्सिटी। नालंदा एंड विक्रमशिला आर मेजर बुद्धिस्ट सेंटर्स ऑफ हायर लर्निंग attracting students from India and abroad. They taught various subjects including Buddhist philosophy, logic and medicine. तापर 18 number question, what was the teacher's role in Buddhist education? Option A to impose strict punishment, to guide students towards nirvana, to teach only theoretical knowledge, to prepare students for civil services. Our answer of option number B, to guide students towards nirvana. The teacher when Bhikshu played the role of spiritual guide, focusing on ethical behavior, meditation and wisdom, helping the student move toward enlightenment. तापर 19 number question, which text contains the teaching and educational values of Buddhism? Option A is Vedas, Tripitaka, Mahabharata, अर्थशास्त्र। आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर बी त्रिपिटक। द त्रिपिटक माने 3 baskets कंटेन विनय पिटक जोटा कि मोनास्टिक डिसिप्लिन, सुत्त पिटक जोटा टीचिंग्स एंड अभिधम पिटक जोटा कि फिलोसफी, फॉर्मिंग द बेसिस ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट एजुकेशन। तापर 20 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज ए यूनिक फीचर ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट एजुकेशन कंपेयर्ड टू वैदिक एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन ए फोकस ऑन रिचुअल सैक्रिफाइस, टीचर सेंटर्ड लर्निंग ओनली, यूज ऑफ लोकल लैंग्वेज एंड ओपन एक्सेस, इन एक्सक्लूसिव एजुकेशन फॉर ब्राह्मण्स। Our answer of option number C, use of local language and open access. Buddhist education was more inclusive, using Pali and a local language, and allowed open access to people of different classes and even women, breaking caste barriers of the Vedic system. तापर 21 number question, which of the following is known as one of the world's first residential universities? Option A Varanasi, Taxila, Nalanda, Ujjaini. Our answer of option number C, Nalanda. Nalanda University, located in present-day Bihar, India, is considered the world's first residential university with hostels, classrooms, and extensive libraries for thousands of students. तापर 22 number question, which an ancient learning center was located in modern day Pakistan? Option A Nalanda, Taxila, Varanasi, Vikramshila. Our answer of option number B, Taxila. Taxila was located near modern Rawalpindi in Pakistan and was a renowned center of higher learning dating back to the 6th century BC. तापर 23 number question, what was the main focus of education at Varanasi during ancient times? Option A military training, Buddhist philosophy, Vedic literature and Hindu philosophy, astronomy and medicine only. Our answer of option number C, Vedic literature and Hindu philosophy. Varanasi जोटा कि काशी was a major center for Vedic learning, Hindu philosophy, Sanskrit studies and was considered a spiritual and educational hub in the ancient India. तापर 24 number question, who among the following was associated with Taxila University as a teacher? Option A आर्यभट्ट, चरक, चाणक्य, नागार्जुन. Our answer of option number C, चाणक्य जहाँ कौटिल्य भी कहा जाए. चाणक्य कौटिल्य, the famous teacher, philosopher and political thinker, was associated with Taxila University where he taught politics and economics. तापर 25 number question, which ancient university was destroyed by invaders in the 12th century CE, marking the decline and ancient India education? Option A Ujjaini, Vikramshila, Nalanda, Varanasi. Our answer of option number C, Nalanda. Nalanda University was destroyed by Bhaktiyar Khilji in the 12th century, leading to a major decline in India's ancient system of Buddhist and secular education. तापर 26 number question, who is considered the father of Indian mathematics and is credited with the concept of zero? Option A आर्यभट्ट, भास्कर, ब्रह्मगुप्त, पाणिनि. Our answer of option number C, Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta, an Indian mathematician and astronomer, is credited with the formulation of the concept of zero as a number and rules for its mathematical operations in his book Brahmasputa Siddhanta. तापर 27 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच एंशिएंट इंडियन स्कॉलर रोट द ग्रामर ट्रिटीज अष्टाध्यायी ऑप्शन अच्छे कालिदास चाणक्य पतंजलि पाणिनि आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर डी पाणिनि पाणिनि वाज ए रिनाउंड संस्कृत ग्रामरियन who authored Ashtadhyayi, a systematic and scientific analysis of Sanskrit grammar, which is still considered a landmark in linguistic studies. तापर 28 नंबर क्वेश्चन द एंशिएंट इंडियन फिजिशियन हु ऑथर्ड द चरक संहिता ए फाउंडेशनल टेस्ट इन आयुर्वेद वाज ऑप्शन अच्छे सुश्रुत पतंजलि चरक नागार्जुन आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर सी चरक Charaka is known for writing the Charaka Samhita, a foundational text in Ayurveda, Indian system of medicine that discusses anatomy, diagnosis and treatments. तापर 29 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन which field did सुश्रुता make significant contribution? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी एस्ट्रोनॉमी सर्जरी एंड मेडिसिन फिलोसफी फिजिक्स आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी सर्जरी एंड मेडिसिन Susruta, often regarded as the father of surgery, wrote the Susruta Samhita, which contains detailed description of surgical techniques, instruments and procedures practiced in ancient India. तापर 30 नंबर क्वेश्चन द एंशिएंट इंडियन टेक्स्ट आर्यभट्टिया deals with which subject? ऑप्शन अच्छे केमिस्ट्री एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड मैथमेटिक्स पॉलिटिकल साइंस म्यूजिक आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड मैथमेटिक्स आर्यभट्ट एन इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमर authored the Aryabhatiya which deals with mathematics including algebra and trigonometry and astronomical concepts including the earth rotation and solar and lunar eclipse. तापर 31 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच वाज द मेन एम ऑफ इस्लामिक एजुकेशन इन द मेडिएवल पीरियड ऑप्शन अच्छे इकोनॉमिक प्रोस्पेरिटी साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट रिलीजियस एंड मोरल डेवलपमेंट मिलिटरी ट्रेनिंग आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी रिलीजियस एंड मोरल डेवलपमेंट द प्राइमरी एम ऑफ इस्लामिक एजुकेशन वाज द रिलीजियस एंड मोरल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स ensuring they followed Islamic principles and lived a life guided by the Quran and Hadith. तापर 32 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच बुक इज ए सेंट्रल टू इस्लामिक एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे वेदस तोरा कोरान बाइबल आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी कोरान द कोरान इज द कोर टेक्स्ट ऑफ इस्लामिक एजुकेशन इट सर्व्स as the ultimate source of knowledge and guidance in all areas of life in Islamic thought. तापर 33 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज ए मद्रासा इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ इस्लामिक एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप ए मिलिटरी कैंप एन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन ए कल्चरल सेंटर आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी an educational institution. A madrasa is an Islamic educational institution primarily focused on religious education where subjects like Quran, Hadith, Fiqh जोटा कि Islamic jurisprudence and Arabic are taught. तापर 34 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच मेथड वाज मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड इन इस्लामिक एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे लेक्चर मेथड रोट मेमोराइजेशन एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन ग्रुप डिस्कशन आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी रोट मेमोराइजेशन rote memorization specially of the Quran was a common method used in Islamic education to ensure accurate preservation and recitation of holy text. तापर 35 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द रोल ऑफ द टीचर इन ट्रेडिशनल इस्लामिक एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे फैसिलिटेटर ऑफ डिस्कशंस पैसिव ऑब्जर्वर moral and spiritual guide manager of activities our answer of option number C moral and spiritual guide the teacher in Islamic education was seen as a moral and spiritual guide responsible not just for teaching content but also for shaping the character and ethics of the student तापर 36 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द टर्म ऑफ हायर लर्निंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस इन इस्लामिक एजुकेशन ऑप्शन अच्छे मक्तब मद्रासा खानका दारुल उलम आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर डी दारुल उलम Darul Ulam is a term used for institutions that provided higher Islamic education focusing on advanced religious studies like theology, law and philosophy. तापर 37 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following subjects was not typically part of the early Islamic curriculum? Option A is Arabic grammar, mathematics, astronomy, industrial engineering. Our answer of option number D, industrial engineering. While Arabic grammar, mathematics and astronomy were taught, industrial engineering was not a part of the traditional Islamic curriculum during the classical period. ତାପରେ 38 number question, what does the term maktab refer to in Islamic education? Option A primary school, college, library, laboratory. Our answer of option number A, primary school. A maktab was a primary school in Islamic education where children learn basic literacy, religious instruction and Quranic recitation. तापर 39 number question, which Islamic philosopher greatly influenced educational thought and wrote Iha Ulam al-Din? And option A Al-Khwarizmi, Ibn Sina, Al-Ghazali, Al-Farabi. Our answer of option number C, Al-Ghazali. Al-Ghazali was a significant Islamic thinker whose work होची इद्या उलम अल दिन माने होची रिवाइवल ऑफ रिलीजियस साइंसेस एम्फासाइज्ड मोरल एंड स्पिरिचुअल एजुकेशन. तापर 40 number question, what was one of the major contributions of Islamic education to world civilization? Option A is discovery of America, establishment of modern factories, preservation and transmission of classical knowledge, invention of the printing press. Our answer of option number C, preservation and transmission of classical knowledge. Islamic education preserved and transmitted Greek and Roman knowledge, especially in science, medicine and philosophy through translation and scholarship, influencing European Renaissance. तापर 41 number question, what was the primary aim of Hindu education in ancient India? Option A is industrial training, political leadership, liberation by moksha and character building, military skills. Our answer of option number C, liberation and character building. The primary aim of ancient Hindu education was the spiritual and moral development of the individual, leading to moksha and character formation. तापर 42 number question, what was the central institution for learning in ancient Hindu education? Option A is maktab, pathshala, gurukul, madrasa. Our answer of option number C, gurukul. The gurukul system was the main institution where students lived with their teacher and received holistic education including spiritual, moral and practical knowledge. तापर 43 number question, which text formed the foundation of Hindu educational content? Option A is Quran, Bible, Vedas, Tripitaka. Our answer of option number C, Vedas. The Vedas were central to Hindu education, forming the base of spiritual and intellectual learning. They were memorized and interpreted by students under a guru's guidance. तापर 44 number question, what was the main method of instruction in Hindu education? Option A is group discussion, practical training, oral transmission and memorization, printed textbooks. Our answer of option number C, oral transmission and memorization. Teaching was primarily oral and modernized memorization was a key method, especially for learning scriptures like the Vedas and Upanishad. तापर 45 number question, what was the role of guru in Hindu education? Option A is administrator, moral and spiritual guide, supervisor, policy maker. Our answer of option number B, moral and spiritual guide. The guru was not just a teacher but a spiritual mentor, guiding the people in knowledge, discipline and righteous living. तापर 46 number question, at what age did students usually begin their education in the Hindu system? Option A is 5 year, 8 year, 12 year, 18 year. Our answer of option number B, 8 years. Initiation into education by Upanayana Sanskara generally occurred at the age of 8, marking the start of a student's formal learning in the Gurukul system. तापर 47 number question, which of the following subjects was not part of ancient Hindu curriculum? Option A is grammar, astrology, engineering, logic. Our answer of option number C, engineering. While grammar বা ব্যাকরণ, astrology বা জ্যোতিষ and logic বা ন্যায় were part of the curriculum, engineering in the modern sense was not emphasized. तापर 48 number question, Which stage of life in Hindu philosophy is associated with formal education? Option A is Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Brahmacharya, Sannyasa. Our answer of option number C, Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is the stage of life devoted to celibacy, learning and self-discipline, and it is when formal education is pursued under a guru. ତାପରେ 49 number question, what was the language of instruction in ancient Hindu education? Option A Pali, Prakrit, Persian, Sanskrit. Our answer of option number D, Sanskrit. Sanskrit was the medium of instruction in Hindu education and was used to study the Vedas, philosophy, grammar and other subjects. ତାପରେ 50 number question, which of the following ancient universities was associated with Hindu learning? Option A AI, Azhar, Nalanda, Oxford, Baghdad. Our answer of option number B, Nalanda. Nalanda was a renowned ancient Indian university that provided advanced education in Hindu philosophy, logic, medicine and arts, and later also embraced Buddhist teachings. तापर 51 number question, what was one major impact of the interaction between traditional and modern education systems in India? Option A complete replacement of the traditional system, development of a hybrid educational model, elimination of religious teachings, decline in literacy. Our answer of option number B, development of a hybrid education model. The interaction led to a hybrid education model where elements of both systems coexisted. Modern subjects like science and maths were introduced alongside traditional values and moral education. तापर 52 number question, which traditional aspects was often undermined by the introduction of the Western education system? Option A technical skills, English language learning, moral and spiritual values, scientific reasoning. Our answer of option number C, moral and spiritual values. The Western system emphasized rationalism and utilitarianism, often undermining the moral and spiritual foundation of traditional education system rooted in religion and philosophy. तापर 53 number question, how did the British introduced education system change the medium of instruction in India? Option A shift from Persian to Sanskrit, shift from regional languages to Hindi, shift from indigenous languages to English, shift from oral to pictorial instruction. Our answer of option number C, shift from indigenous languages to English. The British established English as the dominant medium of instruction, which influenced administration and higher education, often at the expense of local languages. तापर 54 number question, what was a positive result of the interaction between the two systems of education? Option A decline in indigenous knowledge, devaluation of Indian culture, introduction of scientific and rational thinking, loss of traditional educational institutions. Our answer of option number C, introduction of scientific and rational thinking. One positive outcome was the introduction of scientific methods, logical reasoning and modern disciplines, which helped expand intellectual horizons and improve technological advancement. तापर 55 number question, what was the effect of the dual system of education and on Indian society? Option A strengthened cultural unity, created a divide between the educated elite and the masses, promoted equal access to education for all, eliminated social discrimination. Our answer of option number B, created a divide between the educated elite and the masses. The interaction created a cultural and intellectual divide. Those educated in the Western system gained access to jobs and power, while traditional learners were often marginalized. तापर 56 number question, which ruler is known for establishing Nalanda University as a great center of learning with state support? Option A Ashoka, Harshavardhan, Chandragupta Maurya, Kumargupta I. Our answer of option number D, Kumargupta I. Kumargupta I of the Gupta dynasty is credited with founding Nalanda University, one of the earliest residential universities which flourished with state patronage of royal funding. तापर 57 number question, during the Mauryan period, What was the role of the state in education? Option A, it was limited only to military training. State remained indifferent to education. To state The state actively supported educational institutions like Takshila. The state promoted only religious education. Our answer of option number C. The state actively supported educational institutions like Takshila. The Mauryan Empire, particularly under Ashoka, supported institutions like Takshila and funded education, especially moral and Buddhist teachings, showing significant state involvement. तापर 58 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following best describes the role of Muslim rulers in the field of education in medieval India? Option A, they completely banned traditional Indian education. They promoted only Persian literature. They established madrasa and maktabs for religious and secular education. They ignored education entirely. Our answer of option number C. They established madrasas and maktabs for religious and secular education. Muslim rulers established madrasas and maktabs to promote both Islamic and secular education, with state support playing a crucial role in curriculum and infrastructure. तापर 59 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज ए लिमिटेशन ऑफ स्टेट पैट्रोनेज ऑफ एजुकेशन ड्यूरिंग एंशिएंट इंडिया? Option A, focuses only on girls education. Lack of funding for religious education. Access limited mainly to higher caste and elite groups. No curriculum for or learning methods. Our answer of option number C. Access limited mainly to higher caste and elite groups. Although the state supported education, especially during Vedic and post-Vedic periods, access was limited mostly to the upper caste, excluding lower caste and women, which was a major drawback. तापर 60 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड स्टेट पैट्रोनेज चेंज ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए, इट इंक्रीज्ड फंडिंग फॉर इंडिजिनियस एजुकेशन. It focused more on spreading education in rural areas. It shifted towards creating an English educated class for administrative work. It supported only Sanskrit and Arabic learning. Our answer of option number C. It shifted towards creating an English educated class for administrative work. The British state supported education primarily to create a class of clerks and administrators loyal to the British government through English education as outlined in Macaulay's Minute 1835. तापर 61 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द प्राइमरी मोटिव ऑफ ब्रिटिश एजुकेशनल एंडियोवर्स इन इंडिया before 1835? Option A, to provide mass education, to revive traditional Indian learning, to support missionary activities and administrative needs, to promote industrial education. Our answer of option number C, to support missionary activities and administrative needs. Before 1835, British educational efforts were limited and fragmented, largely aimed at supporting missionary work and training clerks for administrative purposes rather than genuine development of education. तापर 62 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following best represents the Orientalist approach adopted by the British before 1835? From option A, promotion of English education, introduction of Western science and literature, support for Sanskrit and Arabic learning, development of technical education. Our answer of option number C, support for Sanskrit and Arabic learning. The Orientalist approach, supported by officials like Warren Hastings and William Jones, emphasized Sanskrit, Arabic and Persian studies through institutions like the Calcutta Madras 1781 and Benares Sanskrit College 1791. तापर 63 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हु एस्टाब्लिश्ड द फोर्ट विलियम कॉलेज इन 1800 टू ट्रेन civil servants in Indian languages? Option A, Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings, Lord Wellesley, Charles Wood. Our answer of option number C, Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley founded Fort William College in 1800 to train British administrators in Indian languages, showing a practical orientation toward understanding local governance and culture. तापर 64 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द मेन फोकस ऑफ मिशनरी एजुकेशन एफर्ट्स इन अर्ली ब्रिटिश इंडिया? ऑप्शन है टेक्निकल एंड वोकेशनल स्किल्स, सेक्युलर एजुकेशन, रिलीजियस कन्वर्जन एंड बाइबल स्टडीज, इंडिजिनियस नॉलेज सिस्टम। Our answer of option number C, religious conversion and Bible studies. Christian missionaries focused on religious education, specially teaching the Bible and promoting Christianity through schools that offered basic literacy and moral instructions. तापर 65 number question, what significant educational debate existed during the early British period? Option है moral versus scientific education, urban versus rural education, Orientalist versus Anglicist debate, male versus female education. Our answer of option number C, Orientalist versus Anglicist debate. The Orientalist Anglicist debate centered on whether education should promote classical Indian languages or English and Western languages. The debate led to famous Macaulay's Minute in 1835 which marked a shift toward English education. तापर 66 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द ऑथर ऑफ द फेमस एजुकेशनल सर्वे रिपोर्ट्स सबमिटेड बिटवीन 1835 एंड 1838? ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड मैकाउले, विलियम आदम, चार्ल्स वुड, थॉमस मुनरो। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, विलियम आदम। विलियम आदम ए Scottish missionary and educationist was appointed by the British government to survey indigenous education in Bengal, Bihar and parts of Odisha. His 3 reports were collectively known as the Adam reports. तापर 67 number question, what was the primary focus of William Adams report? Option है promotion of English education, survey of indigenous schools and education systems, implementation of modern universities, introduction of religious instruction in schools. Our answer of option number B, survey of indigenous schools and education systems. The Adam reports provided detailed documentation of indigenous education including Pathshalas and Madrasas, their curriculum, teaching methods and the socio-economic context of education in rural areas. तापर 68 number question, according to Adams findings, which of the following was a key characteristic of indigenous schools? Option है use of English as medium of instruction, strictly religious curriculum, community supported and informal structure, centralized funding by the British government. Our answer of option number C, community supported and informal structure. Indigenous schools were generally community run with teachers often receiving voluntary contribution from students' families, showing a decentralized and informal setup. तापर 69 number question, what significant observation did Adam make about literacy in rural Bengal? Option है literacy was widespread among all classes. There was no evidence of educational activity. A considerable number of children, including lower caste, attend schools. Only children of elites had access to education. Our answer of option number C, a considerable number of children, including lower caste, attend schools. Adam found that a significant portion of children, including those from lower caste, were receiving basic education in rural schools, challenging the colonial claim that India lacked educational system. तापर 70 number question, what was one major impact of the Adams reports on British educational policy? Option है immediate expansion of indigenous education, rejection of vernacular education, raised awareness but led to limited policy changes, shift to fully religious based education. Our answer of option number C, raised awareness but led to limited policy changes. While Adams' report highlighted the strength of indigenous education, they had limited immediate influence on British policy. The government chose to emphasize English education, especially after Macaulay's Minute of 1835. तापर 71 number question, who authored the famous Minute of Indian Education in 1835? Option है लॉर्ड बेंटिक, विलियम आदम्स, चार्ल्स वुड, थॉमस बेबिंगटन मैकाउले. Our answer of option number D, Thomas Babington Macaulay. Thomas Babington Macaulay authored the Minute of Indian Education in 1835. advocating for English as a medium of instruction and the promotion of Western knowledge over traditional India education systems. ତାପରେ 72 number question, what was the main recommendation of Macaulay's Minute on Education? Option A, promotion of Sanskrit and Arabic education, introduction of free education in villages, use of English as the medium of instruction and promotion of Western education, equal funding for indigenous and Western schools. Our answer of option number C, use of English as the medium of instruction and promotion of Western schools. Macaulay argued that English education should replace traditional learning in Sanskrit and Arabic, and that Western literature and science were superior to Indian knowledge systems. तापर 73 number question, what was Lord Bentinck's decision of following Macaulay's Minutes? Option A, closure of all English schools, a resolution favoring promotion of English education, establishment of more madrasas, reinforcement of vernacular education. Our answer of option number B, a resolution favoring promotion of English education. Following Macaulay's recommendations, Lord William Bentinck passed the resolution of 1835, which officially adopted English as the medium of instruction in Indian schools and directed funds towards English education. तापर 74 number question, which of the following statements aligns with Macaulay's opinion in his minute? Option A, Indian literature is superior to Western literature. The aim was to create a class of Indians loyal to British rule. Education should be rooted in religious values. Persian should replace English. Our answer of option number B, the aim was a created class of Indians loyal to British rule. Macaulay suggested that the goal was to create a class of Indians who were Indian in blood and color but English in taste, morals and intellect, thereby serving the colonial administration. तापर 75 number question, what was one criticism of Macaulay's Bentinck policy on education? Option A, it promoted traditional Indian education. It led to neglect of rural education and Indian languages. It encouraged scientific learning in vernacular languages. It empowered Indian teachers. Our answer of option number B, it led to neglect of rural language and Indian languages. A major criticism was that this policy ignored vernacular education, marginalized Indian languages and knowledge systems, and focused primarily on urban elite, leaving out the rural masses. तापर 76 number question, who was responsible for drafting the Woods Dispatch of 1854? Option A, Lord Macaulay, Sir Charles Wood, Lord Bentinck, Thomas Munro. Our answer of option number B, Sir Charles Wood. The Woods Dispatch was prepared by Sir Charles Wood, the president of the Board of Control, and it laid down a comprehensive educational policy for India. तापर 77 number question, what was one of the major recommendation of the Woods Dispatch? Option A, promotion of only English education, establishment of vernacular schools only, creation of a department of education in each province, closure to all missionary schools. Our answer of option number C, creation of a department of education in each province. The dispatch recommended the establishment of a department of public instruction in each province to oversee and coordinate educational activities. तापर 78 number question, according to the Woods Dispatch, what was the medium of instruction at the primary level? Option A, English, Persian, vernacular languages, French. Our answer of option number C, vernacular languages. The dispatch advocated that vernacular languages should be the medium of instruction at the primary level, with English used for higher education. तापर 79 number question, which of the following institutions did the Woods Dispatch recommend establishing? Option is primary schools only, universities in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras, only missionary schools, industrial training centers. Our answer of option number B, universities in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. The dispatch recommended the establishment of universities in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras, modelled on universities of London, which were eventually set up in 1857. तापर 80 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाई इज द वुड्स डिस्पैच कॉल्ड द मैग्ना कार्टा ऑफ इंग्लिश एजुकेशन इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन है इट एंडेड इंग्लिश एजुकेशन इन इंडिया, इट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड रिलीजियस इंस्ट्रक्शन, इट प्रोवाइडेड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एजुकेशनल फ्रेमवर्क, it banned traditional Indian learning. Our answer of option number C, it provided a comprehensive educational framework. It is called the Magna Carta of English education in India because it laid down a broad and systematic policy for the development of education in India, including goals, structure and methods of implementation. तापर 81 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द प्राइमरी फोकस ऑफ द हंटर कमीशन ऑफ 1882? ऑप्शन है हायर एजुकेशन, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, यूनिवर्सिटी रिफॉर्म्स, एडल्ट एजुकेशन. Our answer of option number B, primary and secondary education. The Hunter Commission, headed by Sir William Hunter, was primarily focused on the assessment and improvement of primary and secondary education in India. तापर 82 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the Hunter Commission of 1882 was appointed by which Viceroy of India? Option है लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी, लॉर्ड कैनिंग, लॉर्ड रिपन, लॉर्ड कर्जन. Our answer of option number C, Lord Ripon. The commission was appointed by Lord Ripon, who is known for his liberal policies, including support for education reforms. तापर 83 नंबर क्वेश्चन, what major recommendation did the Hunter Commission make regarding the medium of instruction at the primary level? ऑप्शन है पर्शियन, इंग्लिश, वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेजेस, संस्कृत. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेजेस. द कमीशन recommended that vernacular languages should be medium of instruction at the primary level to make education more accessible and understandable to the masses. तापर 84 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द रोल ऑफ लोकल बॉडीज इन एजुकेशन एज रिकमेंडेड बाय द हंटर कमीशन? ऑप्शन है नो रोल, फाइनेंशियल एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, curriculum design, teacher training. Our answer of option number B, financial and administrative responsibility. The commission emphasized the involvement of local bodies like municipalities and district boards in taking financial and administrative responsibility for primary education. तापर 85 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड द हंटर कमीशन सजेस्ट फॉर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन है फोकसेस ओनली ऑन एकेडमिक कोर्सेस, include vocational and commercial subjects, stop secondary education, provide education only to elites. Our answer of option number B, include vocational and commercial subjects. The commission recommended that secondary education should include vocational and commercial subjects to prepare students for employment and practical life. तापर 86 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the Hunter Commission was appointed in which year? ऑप्शन है 1854, 1882, 1904, 1917. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 1882. द हंटर कमीशन वाज अपॉइंटेड इन 1882 बाय द Viceroy Lord Ripon to assess the state of education, particularly primary and secondary education in India. तापर 27 नंबर क्वेश्चन, who was the chairman of Hunter Commission? ऑप्शन है थॉमस मैकाउले, विलियम हंटर, चार्ल्स वुड, W.W. Hunter. Our answer of option number D, W.W. Hunter. The commission was chaired by Sir William Wilson Hunter, hence the name of Hunter Commission. तापर 28 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट मेजर रिकमेंडेशन डिड द हंटर कमीशन मेक फॉर प्राइमरी एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन है इट शुड बी इन इंग्लिश, इट शुड बी फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी, it should use vernacular languages as the medium of instruction, it should be funded entirely by the British government. Our answer of option number C, it should be use vernacular languages as the medium of instruction. The Hunter Commission recommended that vernacular languages should be used as the medium of instruction at the primary level to make learning accessible to the general population. तापर 89 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द सजेशन ऑफ द हंटर कमीशन रिगार्डिंग द रोल ऑफ लोकल बॉडीज इन एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन है नो इन्वॉल्वमेंट, कंप्लीट कंट्रोल ऑफ एजुकेशन, active participation in managing and funding primary education, only advisory role. Our answer of option number C, active participation in managing and funding primary education. The commission emphasized the importance of local bodies like municipalities and district boards in managing and financing primary education to make the system more efficient and relevant. तापर 90 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड द हंटर कमिशन रिकमेंडेड फॉर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन ए फोकसेस ऑन क्लासिकल लैंग्वेजेस ओनली, focuses solely on academic subjects, introduction of vocational and practical subjects, elimination of secondary education. Our answer of option number C, introduction of vocational and practical subjects. The commission recommended that secondary education should include vocational and practical subjects to make students more employable and relevant to society's needs. तापर 91 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द प्राइमरी एम ऑफ नेशनल एजुकेशन मूवमेंट इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए टू प्रमोट इंग्लिश एजुकेशन ओनली, टू एलिमिनेट ऑल इंडोजिनियस स्कूल्स, टू एस्टैब्लिश ए सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन रूटेड इन इंडियन कल्चर एंड नेशनलिज्म, टू प्रमोट मिशनरी एजुकेशन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, टू establish a system of education rooted in Indian culture and nationalism. The national education movement aimed to create an education system that was free from colonial influence and rooted in Indian culture, values and national pride. तापर 92 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द नेशनल एजुकेशन मूवमेंट गेन्ड मोमेंटम आफ्टर व्हिच मेजर हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट? ऑप्शन ए रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857, पार्टीशन ऑफ बेंगल 1905, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, जालियानवाला बाग मैसाक्री. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पार्टीशन ऑफ बेंगल 1905. द पार्टीशन ऑफ बेंगल इन 1905 बाय लॉर्ड कर्जन ट्रिगर्ड mass protest which also inspired the Swadeshi and national education movement as a way to resist British rule through education. तापर 93 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following institutions was established as part of the national education movement? ऑप्शन ए अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी, बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी, नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशन बेंगल, कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशन बेंगल. The National Council of Education Bengal 1906 was established to provide nationalist and indigenous education outside the colonial framework. तापर 94 नंबर क्वेश्चन, who among the following was closely associated with the national education movement? ऑप्शन ए लॉर्ड कर्जन, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, विलियम हंटर, चार्ल्स वुड. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Rabindranath Tagore was deeply involved in the movement and established Vishwabharati University at Santiniketan, promoting a blend of Indian and global learning. तापर 95 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज ए की फीचर ऑफ द करिकुलम इन इंस्टीट्यूशंस अंडर द नेशनल एजुकेशन मूवमेंट? ऑप्शन ए एम्फासिस ऑन ब्रिटिश हिस्ट्री, फोकस ऑन मिशनरी टीचिंग, integration of Indian culture, languages and vocational training, use of Latin and Greek literature. Our answer of option number C, integration of Indian culture, languages and vocational training. The institutions promoted Indian languages, culture and self-reliance through vocational education and rejected the Western centric curriculum of colonial institutions. तापर 96 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ लॉर्ड कर्जन्स एजुकेशन पॉलिसी? ऑप्शन ए टू प्रमोट नेशनलिस्ट एजुकेशन, to improve the quality and control of education under British rule, to establish more Indian universities, to reduce the British control over education. Our answer of option number B, to improve the quality and control of education under British rule. Lord Curzon's policy was aimed to tightening British control and improving the administration and quality of education in India, not promoting Indian nationalism. तापर 97 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच कमिशन वाज अपॉइंटेड बाय लॉर्ड कर्जन टू असेस इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज? ऑप्शन ए हंटर कमिशन, रेलिक कमिशन, सैडलर कमिशन, सर्जेंट कमिशन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रेलिक कमिशन. द रेलिक कमिशन वाज अपॉइंटेड बाय लॉर्ड कर्जन टू एग्जामिन द कंडीशंस एंड फंक्शनिंग ऑफ इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज leading to reforms in higher education. तापर 98 नंबर क्वेश्चन द इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज एक्ट ऑफ 1904 वाज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ व्हिच इनिशिएटिव ऑप्शन ए द रिकमेंडेशंस ऑफ द रेली कमीशन द मैकाउले मिनिट्स द वुड्स डिस्पैच द एडम रिपोर्ट Our answer of option number A, the recommendations of the Raleigh Commission. Based on the Raleigh Commission's recommendations, the Indian Universities Act of 1904 was enacted to regulate university administration and increase government control. तापर 99 number question, how did Indian nationalists react to Lord Curzon's educational reforms? Option A, they supported the reforms wholeheartedly. They were indifferent. They opposed the reforms, seeing them as a means of control. They used them to promote national education. Our answer of option number C. They opposed the reforms, seeing them as a means of control. Indian nationalists strongly opposed Curzon's reforms as they were viewed as an attempt to suppress academic freedom and promote colonial interests. तापर 100 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट ए फीचर ऑफ एन इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज एक्ट 1904 ऑप्शन ए ग्रेटर गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल ओवर यूनिवर्सिटीज इंक्रीज्ड फंडिंग फॉर ए टेक्निकल एजुकेशन restriction on university autonomy emphasis on vernacular languages. Our answer of option number D, emphasis on vernacular languages. The act focused on control and regulation but did not promote vernacular languages. In fact, the act was criticized for ignoring Indian culture and languages. तापर 101 नंबर क्वेश्चन हु चेयर्ड द कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी कमीशन 1917 ऑप्शन अच्छी लॉर्ड कर्जन डब्ल्यू हंटर डॉक्टर माइकल सैडलर थॉमस बेबिंगटन मैकाउले आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी डॉक्टर माइकल सैडलर द कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी कमीशन वाज चेयर्ड बाय डॉक्टर माइकल सैडलर इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द सैडलर कमीशन तापर 102 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी कमीशन ऑप्शन ए टू रिफॉर्म प्राइमरी एजुकेशन टू असेस एंड इम्प्रूव सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन to examine the problems of Calcutta University and suggest reforms for Indian higher education, to promote religious education. Our answer of option number C, to examine the problems of Calcutta University and suggest reforms of Indian higher education. The commission was set up to study the problems of Calcutta University, but it extended its scope to suggest wider reforms in Indian higher education. तापर 103 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट रिकमेंडेड बाय द सैडलर कमीशन ऑप्शन ए एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेजेस एक्सटेंशन ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन टू वुमेन रिडक्शन ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी कंट्रोल ओवर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन प्रमोशन ऑफ वोकेशनल एजुकेशन ओनली इन रूरल एरियाज आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर डी प्रमोशन ऑफ वोकेशनल एजुकेशन ओनली इन रूरल एरियाज The Sadler Commission recommended vocational education generally, not only for rural areas. It emphasized diverse and practical education for all. तापर 104 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज इन द इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम वाज सजेस्टेड by the Sadler Commission. Option A 10+2 system, separation of intermediate stage from universities, compulsory military training, merger of schools and colleges. Our answer of option number B, separation of intermediate stage from universities. The commission recommended separating the intermediate stages classes 11 and 12 from universities and placing them under separate intermediate colleges. तापर 105 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द सैडलर कमीशन स्टैंड्स ऑन द रूल ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑप्शन अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटीज शुड फोकस ओनली ऑन एग्जामिनेशंस यूनिवर्सिटीज शुड कंट्रोल स्कूल्स universities should become centers of research and liberal education. Universities should offer religious instruction. Our answer of option number C, universities should become centers of research and liberal education. The Sadler Commission believed that universities should be centers of research, intellectual life and liberal education, not just exam conducting bodies. तापर 106 नंबर क्वेश्चन हु प्रपोज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बेसिक एजुकेशन 1937 ऑप्शन अच्छे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर महात्मा गांधी डॉक्टर बी.आर. आंबेडकर जवाहरलाल नेहरू आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी महात्मा गांधी इंट्रोड्यूस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बेसिक एजुकेशन also called Noitalim, in 1937 during the Wardha Conference. It aimed at self-reliant, craft-based education. तापर 107 number question. What was the core feature of basic education according to Mahatma Gandhi? Option A, use of English as the medium of instruction, free and compulsory education till class 10, learning through productive work or craft, focus on higher education and university reforms. Our answer of option number C, learning through productive work or craft. Gandhi emphasized learning through productive work, especially crafts, to develop the child's body, mind and spirit. It was an integration of manual and intellectual training. ତାପରେ 108 number question. What was the suggested medium of instruction in basic education? Option A, English, Hindi only, mother tongue, Sanskrit. Our answer of option number C, mother tongue. Mother tongue was recommended as the medium of instruction so that children could learn easily and relate education to their own environment. तापर 109 number question. The Wardha scheme of basic education was adopted in which year? Option A, 1935, 1937, 1947, 1950. Our answer of option number B, 1937. The Wardha scheme of education was adopted in 1937 following the recommendations of basic education model proposed by Gandhi. तापर 110 number question. Which of the following was a goal of basic education? Option A, preparing students for administrative services, creating industrial workers, making education self-supporting through work, emphasizing rote learning and memorization. Our answer of option number C, making education self-supporting through work. A key aim of basic education was to make education self-supporting by integrating productive manual work, reducing dependence on external funds. तापर 111 number question. Who was the chairman of the University Education Commission 1948-49? Our option A, APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. A.S. Radhakrishnan, Jawaharlal Nehru. Our answer of option number C, Dr. A.S. Radhakrishnan. The commission was chaired by Dr. A.S. Radhakrishnan, a renowned philosopher and the second president of India. Hence, it is often called the Radhakrishnan Commission. तापर 112 number question. The main purpose of the University Education Commission was to option A, recommended changes to school education, review the functioning of technical institutes, examine and improve university education in India, introduce compulsory primary education. Our answer of option number C, examine and improve university education in India. The commission was appointed to examine the state of university education in India and recommend reforms to improve its quality, purpose and relevance. तापर 113 number question. According to the commission, the aim of university education should be option A, earning money, passing competitive exams, developing leadership, democracy and values, promoting rote learning. Our answer of option number C, developing leadership, democracy and values. The commission emphasized that university education should aim to develop leadership, promote democracy, spiritual values and prepare youth for responsible citizenship. तापर 114 number question. The University Education Commission recommended a duration of how many years of a first degree by bachelor's degree? Option A, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Our answer of option number B, 3 years. The commission recommended that the first degree should be of 3 years duration, laying the foundation of the current structure of undergraduate education in India. तापर 115 number question. What did the commission recommended regarding medium of instruction in higher education? Option A, English only, regional languages only, transition from English to Indian languages, Hindi only. Our answer of option number C, transition from English to Indian languages. The commission proposed a gradual transition from English to Indian languages in higher education to make education more accessible and culturally rooted. तापर 116 number question. Who was the chairman of Secondary Education Commission 1952-53? Option A, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. A. Lakshman Swamy Mudaliar, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Our answer of option number B, Dr. A. Lakshman Swamy Mudaliar. The commission was headed by Dr. A. Lakshman Swamy Mudaliar, then Vice Chancellor of Madras University, and is commonly referred to as the Mudaliar Commission. तापर 117 number question. What was the main objective of the Secondary Education Commission? Option A is reform university curriculum, study primary education, examine and improve secondary education in India, introduce free education at all levels. Our answer of option number C, examine and improve secondary education in India. The commission was set up to study and recommend reforms of secondary education in India to make it more relevant to the needs of students and society. तापर 118 number question. What structural pattern of education did the Mudaliar Commission recommend? Option A 10 plus 2 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Our answer of option number A, 10 plus 2 plus 3. The commission recommended the 10 plus 2 plus 3 system, which includes 10 years of general education, 2 years of higher secondary and 3 years of university education. तापर 119 number question. Which of the following was emphasized by the commission as essential in secondary education? Option A rote memorization, vocational and diversified courses, only science subjects, distance learning. Our answer of option number B, vocational and diversified courses. The commission strongly advocated for diversification of courses, especially vocational education, to meet varied interests and aptitudes of students and national needs. तापर 120 number question. What did the commission say about moral and character education? Option A, it is outdated, it should be removed, it should be an integral part of education, it should be left to parents. Our answer of option number C, it should be an integral part of education. The commission highlighted the importance of moral and character education and recommended it as a core component of build responsible citizens. तापर 121 number question. Who chaired the Indian Education Commission 1964-66? Option A Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. A.L. Mudaliar, Dr. D.S. Kothari, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Our answer of option number C, Dr. D.S. Kothari. The Indian Education Commission of 1964-66 was chaired by Dr. D.S. Kothari, then chairman of the University Grants Commission. Hence, it is also known as the Kothari Commission. तापर 122 number question. What was the main recommendation of the Kothari Commission regarding the structure of education? Option A 7 plus 5 system, 8 plus 4 plus 3 system, 10 plus 2 plus 3 system, 11 plus 1 plus 3 system. Our answer of option number C, 10 plus 2 plus 3 system. The 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern was proposed, which includes 10 years of general education, 2 years of higher secondary and 3 years of university education. This structure became the foundation of Indian school education system. तापर 123 number question. Which of the following was a key slogan of the Kothari Commission? Option A education for all, education and employment, education for self-reliance, education and national development. Our answer of option number D, education and national development. The Kothari Commission emphasized the role of education in nation building and adopted the slogan education and national development. तापर 124 number question. What percentage of national income did the Kothari Commission recommend for education expenditure? Option A 3%, 4%, 6%, 8%. Our answer of option number C, 6%. The commission recommended that 6% of national income should be allocated to education to ensure its qualitative and quantitative development. तापर 125 number question. What was the Kothari Commission's view on work experience in education? Option A it is unnecessary, should be optional, should be an integral part of education, should be part of extracurricular activities. Our answer of option number C, should be an integral part of education. The commission strongly recommended that work experience be integrated into the curriculum to promote dignity of labor, skill development and relevance of education to real life. तापर 126 number question. What was the primary aim of National Policy on Education NPE 1986? Option A universalization of higher education, privatization of education, removal of disparities and equal educational opportunities, introduction of new language policy. Our answer of option number C, removal of disparities and equal educational opportunities. NPE 1986 aim to provide equal educational opportunities to all, especially the disadvantaged, to remove disparities and promote social justice. तापर 127 नंबर क्वेश्चन द रिवाइज्ड एनपीई 1992 placed additional emphasis on which of the following? Option A, reducing the number of schools, empowering women and disadvantaged groups, eliminating board exams, promoting foreign universities. Our answer of option number B, empowering women and disadvantaged groups. The revised NPE 1992 reinforced the focus on women's empowerment and education of SC/ST, minorities and handicapped, ensuring inclusivity. तापर 128 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट एजुकेशनल स्ट्रक्चर वाज एम्फासाइज्ड बाय एनपीई 1986? ऑप्शन ए 8+4, 7+5+2, 10+2+3, 6+6+3. Our answer of option number C, 10+2+3. The 10+2+3 structure, 10 years of school, 2 years of higher secondary, 3 years of degree, was affirmed and recommended for nationwide adoption. तापर 129 नंबर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू एनईपी 1986 द करिकुलम शुड बी ओरिएंटेड टुवर्ड्स व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? ऑप्शन ए प्योर एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट, नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन एंड वैल्यूज, रोट मेमोराइजेशन, कॉलोनियल नॉलेज बेस्ड. Our answer of option number B, national integration and values. The policy emphasized that education must promote national integration, cultural values, scientific temper and secularism. तापर 130 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following commission's recommendations largely shaped the NPE 1986? ऑप्शन ए राधाकृष्ण कमिशन, कोठारी कमिशन, हंटर कमिशन, यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमिशन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, कोठारी कमिशन. द कोठारी कमिशन 1964-66 laid the groundwork for many ideas incorporated into the NPE 1986, especially the structure and goal of education. तापर 131 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड NPE 1986 proposed for the universalization of elementary education? Option A, only government schools, only private sector participation, Operation Blackboard scheme, computer aided education only. Our answer of option number C, Operation Blackboard scheme. The Operation Blackboard scheme was launched to improve infrastructure and facilities in primary schools across India. तापर 132 नंबर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू NPE 1986 the curriculum should include which of the following as core components? Option A, foreign languages and liberal arts, environmental education, moral values and national identity, western civilization studies only, skill based training only. Our answer of option number B, environmental education, moral values and national identity. The policy proposed that core curriculum must include values, environmental awareness and national cohesion. तापर 133 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ टीचर्स एज envisioned by NPE 1986? ऑप्शन ए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर्स, only subject matter experts, facilitators of learning and nation builders, passive knowledge providers. Our answer of option number C, facilitators of learning and nation builders. The policy stressed that teachers should be motivated, well trained and seen as agents of social change and development. तापर 134 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द मेन पर्पज ऑफ रिवाइज्ड पॉलिसी ऑफ 1992? ऑप्शन ए कैंसल NEP 1986, क्रिएट ए न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, modify and clarify the implementation of NPE 1986, focus on global education only. Our answer of option number C, modify and clarify the implementation of NEP 1986. The revised policy of 1992 aimed to reaffirm the principles of NEP 1986 while introducing improvements in its implementation and coverage. तापर 135 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट मेजर प्रोग्राम वाज लॉन्च्ड at a follow-up to NPE 1986 for universal primary education? Option A, e-learning movement, digital India, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी सर्व शिक्षा अभियान। दो launched later सर्व शिक्षा अभियान 2001 was based on the principles of NPE 1986 to achieve universalization of elementary education by UEE। तापर 136 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द फंडामेंटल एसेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन। ऑप्शन ए स्कोरिंग हाई मार्क्स, प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर जॉब्स, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल, फॉलोइंग सोसाइटियल नॉर्म्स। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल। The essence of education lies in the overall development, intellectual and emotional, moral, physical of a person, enabling them to become a responsible and contributing member of society। तापर 137 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following best describes the primary role of education in society। ऑप्शन ए to maintain traditional practices, to bring about social transformation, to ensure economic dominance, to restrict individuality। Our answer of option number B to bring about social transformation। Education plays a vital role in social transformation by shaping attitudes, promoting values like equality, democracy and justice, and enabling individuals to challenge and improve existing systems। तापर 138 नंबर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू महात्मा गांधी व्हाट इज द रियल एम ऑफ एजुकेशन। ऑप्शन ए मास्टरी ऑफ वेस्टर्न लैंग्वेज, प्रिपरेशन फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क, ड्राइंग आउट द बेस्ट इन बॉडी माइंड एंड स्पिरिट, fulfilling family responsibility। Our answer of option number C drawing out the best in body, mind and spirit। Gandhi believed that education should aim at self-realization and developing an individual's physical, mental and spiritual faculties to the fullest। तापर 139 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज एजुकेशन कंट्रीब्यूट टू इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। ऑप्शन ए बाय इंक्रीजिंग कंजप्शन, by creating a skilled and knowledgeable workforce, by reducing competition, by promoting social inequality। Our answer of option number B by creating a skilled and knowledgeable workforce। Education enhances skills, innovation and productivity which are essential for economic growth and national development। तापर 140 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is not a key role of education। ऑप्शन ए पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, प्रमोटिंग रोट मेमोराइजेशन, नर्चरिंग क्रिएटिविटी, बिल्डिंग रेस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजनशिप। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी प्रमोटिंग रोट मेमोराइजेशन। Rote memorization without understanding does not align with the true spirit of education which focuses on critical thinking, creativity and active learning। तापर 141 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द नेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन इन इंडिया। ऑप्शन ए प्रमोट प्राइवेट स्कूल्स, एनकरेज ओनली हायर एजुकेशन, एंश्योर इक्वल एजुकेशनल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल, limit access to education। Our answer of option number C ensure equal educational opportunity for all। The national system of education as stated in the national policy on education 1986 aim to provide a uniform and equitable education system ensuring that all students regardless of caste, gender or religion have access to quality education। तापर 142 नंबर क्वेश्चन द 10+2+3 structure of education in India was recommended by which commission। ऑप्शन ए हंटर कमिशन, कोठारी कमिशन, कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी कमिशन, मुदालियर कमिशन। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी कोठारी कमिशन 1964-66। द कोठारी कमिशन proposed the 10+2+3 structure, 10 years of school, 2 years of higher secondary, 3 years of university to bring uniformity and better organization in the Indian education system। तापर 143 नंबर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑफ एजुकेशन 1986 व्हिच स्टेज ऑफ एजुकेशन वाज कंसीडर्ड ए फंडामेंटल राइट आफ्टर द 86th amendment। ऑप्शन ए सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, हायर एजुकेशन, एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन, प्री प्राइमरी एजुकेशन। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन 6 to 14 years। The 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 made elementary education 6 to 14 years a fundamental right, aligning with the goals of national system of education to provide free and compulsory education। तापर 144 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज वन ऑफ द की फीचर्स ऑफ रीऑर्गेनाइजिंग secondary education in India। ऑप्शन ए reducing teacher training, introduction of vocational and skill based courses, eliminating exams, expanding extending primary education duration. Our answer of option number B, introduction of vocational and skill based courses. To make education more relevant and job oriented, secondary education has been recognized to include vocational education, encouraging practical skills along with academics. तापर 145 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ए कॉमन स्कूल सिस्टम इज एसोसिएटेड विथ which aspects of the national system of education. Option A, privatization of education, focuses only on elite institutions, providing equitable education irrespective of socio-economic status, centralized curriculum for universities. Our answer of option number C, providing equitable education irrespective of socio-economic status. The common school system aims to ensure equity and social justice by providing equal quality education to all children irrespective of their caste, religion or economic background. तापर 146 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज वन ऑफ द प्राइमरी गोल ऑफ नेशनल नॉलेज कमीशन बाय एनकेसी रिगार्डिंग स्कूल एजुकेशन. ऑप्शन ए, प्रमोट रोट लर्निंग, improve the quality of accessibility of education, abolish public schools, focuses only on private institutions. Our answer of option number B, improve the quality and accessibility of education. The NKC 2005 to 9 aimed to enhance the quality of education at all levels and to increase accessibility, especially for disadvantaged groups. It emphasized reforms in curricula, pedagogy and infrastructure. तापर 147 नंबर क्वेश्चन, according to NKC, what was suggested to improve the quality of school education? Option A, reducing teacher salaries, revamping teacher education and training, replacing schools with online courses, shortening the school year. Our answer of option number B, revamping teacher education and training. The NKC stressed the importance of the teacher quality and recommended reforms in teacher training institutions, better recruitment practices and continuous professional development. तापर 148 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट की रिफॉर्म इन हायर एजुकेशन वाज रिकमेंडेड बाय द एनकेसी? ऑप्शन ए, abolition of UGC, establishment of an independent regulatory authority for higher education, privatization of all universities, decreasing research funding. Our answer of option number B, establishment of an independent regulatory authority for higher education. The NKC recommended creating independent regulatory authority for higher education to replace existing regulatory bodies like UGC and AICTE for transparent, accountable and efficient higher education system. तापर 149 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड द एनकेसी व्यू द रोल ऑफ लैंग्वेज इन स्कूल एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन ए, इंग्लिश शुड बी रिमूव्ड कंप्लीटली, ओनली रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस शुड बी यूज्ड, English should be taught as a language from the early stages, students should choose only one language. Our answer of option number C, English should be taught as a language from the early stages. The NKC emphasized early and improved teaching of English to empower students for global opportunities while also promoting multilingual proficiency. तापर 150 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following was a recommendation of the NKC for expanding access to higher education? Option A, closing down smaller colleges, establishment of more universities and colleges, limiting students intake, encouraging only online education. Our answer of option number B, establishment of more universities and colleges. The NKC recommended creating 1500 new universities across India to increase the gross enrollment ratio by GER and improve access to higher education, especially for marginalized sections. कोर 11 रो 150 टा क्वेश्चन सरीगला. नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे हमें देखिबा कोर 12 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर. जदि वीडियो भल लागुचे लाइक करंतु आ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.